combining, these low-income or affordable housing issues with our green space. When you look at it, look at Allen Drive, you look at some of those low-income affordable housing units, they're not going into the inner district. They're going into what is supposed to be a preserved green space. I see an issue with that. We're trying to preserve the green space, and yet anytime we're looking into an affordable housing, somehow it becomes the only place where we can do it, which I think is ridiculous and really counterproductive. I'd like any of your thoughts on that sort of issue.
Well, I guess that's why, in some ways, I look at it more like a county-wide basis. I mean, I've heard solutions like, we put low-income people out in Schuylerville and we bus them in, or why can't we rehab existing housing, which is an economic engine itself. It puts people to work. There's places, I know I'm not dealing with the city of Saratoga, but Mechanicville, some of these older cities and villages need attention, and there's lots of opportunities to create opportunity and create economic opportunities as well as affordable housing. So I think, I share your concerns. I think, again, suburbs are part of this too. It's not just urban and rural. It's most of Saratoga County is suburban folks, and they need to be part of the discussion and part of the solution as well.
Can I just kind of add to that? Sorry to have to point you guys out, but we do have two people here who work in planning. Kate Maynard, who is the city planner, and it's great that you're here, actually. And Amy Derland, who's on the city planning board. I don't know all the ins and outs of your question, Casey, because I actually sometimes think that it's a wonderful thing that Saratoga does have this green belt, and it strikes me that one of the driving factor, and I don't know about affordable housing per se, but development in general is just it's the private market. So developers can pursue where they want to develop. I mean, it's market driven. And so my question is that affordable housing, is that being driven by private market, or are there agencies that are driving that? And is that part of a need of forming a community land trust, which is a whole other big, venture, but could be a potential long-term viable solution. So that's my question, who is driving that? Because it's the private market, from what I understand.
Well, Luther Forest Technology made a decision there because of the private market.
Well, right.
Just, I'm sorry to interrupt.
No problem.
So I'd like to thank Bob for his both our speakers. Thank you so much, and thank you, Laura, for your purchase.